Do not quit social media. I know. You're wondering why am I saying like this? I know everybody says that you should quit social media because you're distracting from your goals because you are over consuming the social media. But let me tell you, this is not the exact reason why you are procrastinating. So let me break it down for you and listen it up to the end so that you should decide on your own that should you need to quit social media or not. So let's begin with that. We are human beings and we always want to do something. Even if we are sitting, so we want to do something. But here is the thing. When we don't have something to do, we have easier way to escape this thing. That is something you are holding in your hands right now. If you don't have something to do, you just open up the social media and you just do anything you want to do over the social media. And this is the reason you say that I am getting procrastinating because I just can't focus because I'm just over consuming the social media. No, people, this is not the reason. Understand this thing. You are choosing social media. Social media is not using you. Does anybody got any messages from any particular social media application that this is the time to use me? No. We don't get that. We are the one who choose it. So hopefully you have understood the reason what I want to say to you. Now let's talk about the solution of this. Now the very first thing you have to do is that you need to set your targets. As I've already told you, we are human beings and we always want to do something. Even if we are just walking or we're just sitting, we want to do something. So if you want to do something, rather than using the social media, try to do something productive. And this is how you can be productive. If you are going to set the targets, set your targets and then start working on that. This is the first solution. And now let me talk about the second thing that is really important. People say that we are not able to focus because we are over consuming the social media. And I don't know how to just overcome this. Why are you getting distracting? It's just an excuse. You have set a target for yourself. You did it. And you are the one who knows that why you have chosen that target for yourself. Don't you know? You know that, right? You know that why you want to do something. If you want a particular nameplate for yourself, then why you want it? You know that. If you know this thing, then how can any external force can enforce you to do something? Understand this thing. You're letting external forces to force you to do something that you don't want to do. Your internal motivation is so weak. That is the reason you are choosing the social media and that you are over consuming the social media, and that is the only reason you're getting procrastinated. The first thing why you're getting distracted, it is all because you don't have any targets. And the second reason, even if you have the targets but you are not doing them, you're choosing something else. And the third thing is that your motivation, why you want to do something, is really weak. And let me be really honest with you. If your reason why you want to do something, why you want that position or why you want something, if that is super weak, then you can't do anything in your life. I would be really honest with you. You can't do anything in your life. I know you're gonna get offended by this thing, but people understand this thing. You can't do anything in your life unless you realize it. You have to realize this thing that why I want to do this thing. Your internal motivation should be stronger and any other external force should not distract you from your particular goals. Okay, so I hope that this might have helped you. Now, let me ask you the most important question that I really want to ask you. Now tell me, should you quit social media or not? It's not about promoting social media. It is all about making you realize that what is the exact reason of your distraction. It's not social media, it's not any external force, it's all about you. Hopefully now all the reasons must be clear to you. Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you next week with another video. Until then, thrive rather than strive. This is Sukhmanpreet Kaur signing off.